On the move up to Washington. Yes, sir. Let's go. Oh yeah. Almost to the top, baby. Wind is definitely picking up now. Temperature has dropped significantly, but we're still making our way up. Nothing too bad. Look at this view. It's crazy. Almost there. Here it is. Top of New England. Let's go. Let's go. Way back down, baby. It's too easy. Too easy. On the way down from Washington. It's just behind me. Easy day, only 15 below zero with the wind. So, not too bad. Didn't even have to throw an extra layer on. Just the goggles. Oh, I'm gonna die. Let's go. Here we go. Oh, shit. Not the best. We are sliding down Mount Washington. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that sun. Oh, here we go again. Some ice. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Woo-hoo. Oh! Might have just taken a chunk out of my shin back there, but Worth it. Let's go. Ooh. Sliding down Mount Washington. We're still going. We are still going. We're cooking. We are cooking. I'm getting the hang of this. No more collisions into trees. Alright, just finished Mount Washington Winter Summit. Took the Amamusic Trail, and it was honestly, what an amazing day. You couldn't ask for better conditions up there. Bright blue, bright sunshine, blue skies, and like there was wind, and I think it was like -15 at the summit, but it was just perfect. You could see for miles and miles and miles. But great day, Mount Washington summit in the winter. It's too easy. If you need something harder, let me know. And remember to get outside, go touch some trees and hug some grass and get after it. Peace out.